Welcome again to the second tutorial on how to create fireworks in Artrage Pro. Like before, I'm going to start off with creating a black canvas to paint my fireworks on. And here you see the type of fireworks I'm trying to recreate. So again, I start by selecting some color from the fireworks in my picture. And to create these type of fireworks, I'm going to use a glue pen. I set the pressure real low on the glue pen, and this way I can create these type of lines. And that's what I'm going to use to create the fireworks. So I start off with a little ball in the center, you can see here as well, and then just add straight lines from that center to the outside. I change the color a little bit. Darker colors go in the back, lighter colors in the front, and I create a sort of star shape like this. Then let's use some different colors. Perhaps a bit more purple. And I just paint on top of the other star shape, because well, that's what it looks like in my picture as well. Then you can vary with a bit of variation in the color, as well as the length of the different lines. Let's add a green one as well. I try to make the lines as straight as I can, but I do vary the pressure a little bit, which is quite easy with this pen, and that's what gives it a bit of uneven effect in the lines, which I like. Well, since I drew this on double the size of what it's going to end up like in my picture, this is basically what it will look like when it's finished. And then of course, again, you could, like in the other example, you could use you could add some more sparkles, especially in the center. Doesn't have to be the exact same color either. So this is a second way to make these sort of spiky looking fireworks in Artrage. Hope you enjoyed.